tourists often don't realize how loudly they can speak. And yes, this is coming from a Latina. In many Latin American cultures, speaking too loud can come off as rude or aggressive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Dania, and I have a question for you. Have you ever felt too much like a tourist? Feeling like everything is different from home and not knowing how to relate to these locals? Well, guess what? You are not alone. Because sometimes this difference can make the locals feel a little bit uncomfortable too. So, let's get started and make sure you are the kind of visitor that locals love. Respect the local pace. Latin America is famous for its laid-back, relaxed pace of life. And yes, that's why it's a perfect spot vacation if you want to forget about your coworkers or your noisy neighbors or everything for a while. My tip, when you're dining out, savor your meals. Meals are a time for enjoyment and socializing, not just eating and running, And remember, service may take a bit longer than you used to in America, but it's all part of the experience to relax and enjoy the moment. The next one, mind your volume. My tip, try to keep your voice down, especially in restaurants or public transport or in any quiet public space. It's all about respect. So now to tell you a story that happened to me. A few days ago, I went to this concert in a public square. It's this British rock band that I really like. And in front of me, there was this 9 feet tall who was just there in front of me, just trying to get some random girl's attention and basically telling her his whole life story. So the girl didn't seem that interested, or to be honest, I don't know if she was completely getting what he was saying. But well, then one of my favorite songs came in and I couldn't listen a bit of it. I was just listening how his friend Kyle got bit by mosquitoes in Guatemala and constantly complaining about Latin America and a lot of stuff that it was just disappointing, So, well, if you ever travel to other country, don't be like this guy. Siguiente, learn the language basics. While many people in tourist areas speak English, attempting to speak Spanish is greatly appreciated. And it's okay, you don't need to be fluent, but knowing some basic phrases goes a long way. Don't expect every waiter to speak or know English. Try your best to speak Spanish, and you will both find a way to communicate. I can assure you that. And if there is no other way to communicate, you can speak English, but try to keep it as simple as possible. For example, if you want a coffee, don't say, let me get a coffee. Say something like, I would like a coffee. And also, just saying hola and gracias with a smile can make your interactions much warmer. But if you think your Spanish is not good enough to order at a restaurant, I have the perfect solution for you. At Spanish 55, we tailor your lessons according to your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Go to the description below, you will find a link, and that is going to send you to our website. And over there you can book your first trial lesson for free. Be mindful of personal space. Personal space in Latin America can be different from what you're used to in the States. People may stand closer during a conversation than Americans normally do. So don't back away if someone stays close to you to or gives you a kiss when they meet you. It's part of our culture, so that's the way we are used to do it. Embrace it as part of the cultural experience. If you are uncomfortable, it's okay, just to gently step back, but try not to show discomfort or disgust. Respect cultural sites and traditions. Latin America is rich with historical sites and vibrant traditions. Whether it is a religious ceremony or an ancient site, showing respect is crucial. My tip, dress appropriately. Follow local guidelines and observe quietly. Always ask before taking pictures, especially during ceremonies or of people. Don't be mad, but I heard some people say that you can always tell when a tourist is from the US because they wear this type of sandals everywhere. So guys, visiting Latin America offers a wealth of experiences that are even more rewarding when you respect and appreciate local customs. Being an informed tourist not only makes your trip more enjoyable, but also helps preserve the beauty and the integrity of the places you visit. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and click that notification bell for more travel and cultural insights. Until next time, travel smart and respect the cultures. Hasta luego. Bye bye.